Next part, aim to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Theory, to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Next part. Next. Theory, determination of hardness in water. Next. Procedure, determination of hardness in water. This procedure step will be followed on the simulator. First objective, to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Apparatus used: pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, dropper. Next. Second, click on funnel to place it in burette to add 200 ml test sample. Determination of hardness in water. Next. Third, determination of hardness in water. Step first, fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. EDTA solution fill in the burette up to the 0 mark. After filling EDTA solution, next step second, add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to a conical flask through a graduated pipette. By using graduated pipette, add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution in conical flask. Next part, add 10 ml 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to the conical flask to graduated pipette. Next part. Next, step third, add 1 ml of ammonia vapor by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Next, the question in the experiment, why ammonia vapor solution is added to the sample. Addition of ammonia vapor to maintain constant pH. Next, step 4, add 5 to 6 drops of erythrom black tea indicator to the conical flask. Addition of indicator to the conical flask. Addition of 5 to 6 drop of indicator to the conical flask. After addition of 5 to 6 drop of indicator, color will change. Color will change. Next, titrate the EDTA solution till color changes to blue, reddish to blue. आपण काय करतोय, रेड कलर किंवा रेडिश कलर आहे, याचा कलर काय झाला पाहिजे, ब्ल्यू कलर चेंज होतोय. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, determination of hardness in water. Titrate EDTA solution till color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is 0 ml. Final burette reading is 10 ml. Titrate the EDTA solution till color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is 0. Final burette reading is 10 ml. Determination of hardness in water. Observation. Volume of calcium carbonate, or this is the observation table. Volume of calcium carbonate solution in ml. Burette reading in ml. Initial value, final value, volume of EDTA. Next part, calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA, and this is the formula. Next, determination of hardness in water. Final answer. Next part, simulations. Determination of hardness in water. Objective, to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Apparatus used: pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, dropper. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraesteric acid. Hardness, there are two types of hardness. First is temporary hardness and second is permanent hardness. Hardness is caused by calcium and magnesium salts of carbonate. This is the pipette, automatic pipette. Next one is a graduated pipette. This is the beaker, conical flask, and burette. Burette, conical flask, beaker, graduated pipette, and automatic pipette. Apparatus used: first is a pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, dropper. Objective: to determine the amount of total hardness present in a given water sample by EDTA titration method. Next part. Next, standardization of EDTA solution. Next part, standardization of EDTA or ethylene diamine tetraesteric acid solution. Next part, fill the burette with, next, fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. This is the funnel. Fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. To remove stopper, then add EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. After filling the EDTA solution, remove the funnel. Fill the burette with the standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. Next, step second. Next, step second, add 10 ml. Next part, step second, add 10 ml 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to a conical flask through a graduated pipette. Next part, add 10 ml 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to a conical flask through a graduated pipette. This is the graduated pipette. Press up or arrow on the bulb to take the liquid up into the pipette. Add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to the conical flask through graduated pipette. Next, add 1 ml of ammonia bubble solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Ammonia bubble solution is added for removing interference of the particle. Add 1 ml of ammonia bubble solution to the conical flask. In the experiment, why ammonia bubble solution is added to the sample to maintain constant pH, to dissolve the precipitate, both A and B, none of this. Answer, please. Answer in chat box fast. In the experiment, why ammonia bubble solution is added to the sample? Fast. To maintain the pH good. To maintain constant pH. Answer is correct. In step third, add 1 ml of ammonia bubble solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. to maintain constant pH. Ammonia buffer is added to maintain constant pH. Next, step 4, add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrome black tea indicator to the conical flask. Add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrome black tea indicator to the conical flask. Add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrome black tea indicator to the conical flask. After addition of indicator, color of the solution becomes red. Add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrome black tea indicator to the conical flask. After adding Erythrome black tea indicator, solution of color becomes red. Next, titrate the EDTA solution till the color changes to blue. Next part, step 4. Step 4, titrate the EDTA solution till the color changes to blue. Initial Biuret reading value is 0 ml. Open the knob to start the liquid running into the conical flask. Initial Biuret reading is 0. Initial Biuret reading is 0 ml. Color changes to blue. Initial Biuret reading is 0. Final Biuret reading is 10.1 ml. Final Biuret reading is 10.1. Step 4. Titrate EDTA solution till color changes to blue. Initial Biuret reading is equal to 0 ml. Final Biuret reading is equal to 10.1 ml. Next, observations. Next part. Volume of calcium carbonate solution in ml. Observation. Volume of calcium carbonate CaSiO3 solution in ml is 10 ml. Biuret reading in ml. Initial value 0. Final value is 10.1. Volume of EDTA ml. Final value minus initial value 10.1. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. Next part, check. Okay. We enter first formula, then 10.1. जर आपण व्हॅल्यू ऍड केली तर या ठिकाणी काय येतं? त्याची व्हॅल्यू येते. नेक्स्ट, units of hardness is a ppm or 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 parts of calcium carbonate parts of water. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1 degree Clark. Answer please. First is 10,000, second 30,000, third 50,000, and last one is 70,000. In chat box, pass. First unit is ppm, parts per million. Pass. 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate per dash part of water. 17,000. Next, determination of hardness in water sample titration. Fill the Biuret with a standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark.
सांगत जा मॅडम कुठले बी आम्ही असता माझा केमला नंबर लागला होय.
Next, add 100 ml water sample to the conical flask through graduated pipette.
सरांनी तिथे किती रिडिंग सांगते तेवढं घ्यायचं म्हणजे आपल्याला तेच रिडिंग सांगतो. ड्रेसचं काय झालं माहित ना तिथपर्यंत होता असा अशा स्लीव्ज असतात काय म्हणतात त्याला बेली स्लीव्हला काय आणि सारखं असं काय काम करताना लोळाच खाली
Hardness cannot be removed by
घरच्या घरी त्यामुळे हे दोरे
hardness that cannot be removed by boiling is called as permanent hardness. Next,
ही असंच होते लेस अजून ह्याला येत ना थोडं असं मोठं होते तशी आणि ती लोळाच खाली कशात बिन बघ खराब व्हायचा
add 1 ml of ammonia vapor solution. Same procedure
दोरे
to maintain constant pH.
आमचं करा तुमचं तर कॅल्क्युलेशन करावं लागतं मी म्हणलं ना कॅल्क्युलेशन करा सांगा की लगे मोबाईलला करा माझ्या पासवर्ड नाही काय नाही असं केलं की असं तिथं कॅल्क्युलेटर केलं तुम्ही करा मला तिथं सांगा कारण तिथं बोल मी ते करणार नाही ना मला तिथं थांबावं लागेल लिहिलंय मी लिहून ठेवले
Urichrome for next. Initial period reading is 0 ml.
आपल्याला बीचं रिडिंग पाहिजे बी काढावं नाही
ए काढला ना ए इंटू 10
केलं की
ए इंटू 10 केलं की बी येते सॉरी ए इंटू 10 केलं की बी येते नंतर आपल्याला सी काढायचं सी
is carried out until the sample changes color from
बी इंटू
wine red to blue.
10चा 6 म्हणजे 10 वर
But
600
initial period reading is 0 ml. Final period reading is 4.3. And last one is formula.
घेऊया बी डिवाइडेड बाय 100 करा आणि मला इथे सांगा आपण 10
And then answer.
काढतेच
Any problem? Please put in chat box. Fast.
शिकवली 11-12 आता मी सगळं गेला किती दिवस झाले शिकवला 4.3 आहे बरं का रीडिंग
Get out असेल तर सांगा chat box ला. ठीक आहे मग लॅब मध्ये आपण परफॉर्म करू आता लॅब मध्ये
लॅब मध्ये काय म्हणतात Is what? Take 10 ml of hard water by pipette in a 100 ml volumetric flask. Let us clean our conical flask. See. This is the hard water which is already diluted to the 100 ml. Then pipette out the 10 ml of hard water and add into this conical flask. Let us pipette out. Slowly suck the water. Pipette out 10 ml hard water with the help of pipette. See here, as you can see, the marking is present at nearby my finger. See, you can see, we want 10 ml. So 10 ml marking is present at the below. So loose the finger slowly and adjust the pipette up to 10. Observe. Okay. We want only 10 ml. Add this 10 ml solution into conical flask. One drop is also important for us. Then next step is addition of ureochrome black tea indicator. We require 2 drops of ureochrome black tea. First add 4 ml buffer solution. For ml buffer solution, add into the conical flask. Then next step is the addition of distilled water. This is the distilled water. We require 10 ml distilled water. Then add into the conical flask, and last we should add our indicator, that is ureochrome black tea indicator. 2 to 3 drops required only. the color, it becomes wine red, hint wine red. Okay. Then let us start the titration. See, the burette is already set to 0 ml. Our end point for this experiment is wine red to dark blue. So observe only the color. When it changes wine red to dark blue, then at that condition, at that time, our experiment becomes completed. Okay. So observe only the color. See, the procedure for the titration is hold the conical flask into left hand side, and at that time you should add the solution drop by drop, and at that same time your hand, that means the conical flask, at the same time continuously shake it. Okay, so lose the knob here. Okay, stop. See, what I am using color is obtained, that is dark blue. So our final reading is 4.3. See here. Aim of experiment is estimation of total hardness of water by EDT method. See, observation table. Our reading is 4.3. Note it and note down into this observation table. 4.3, 4.3, here 0 and 4.3. Let's see here. A is the X, okay? Then X is the 4.3. Calculate 4.3 with the 0.001. Calculate and tell me the answer. A.
Zero one 0.0043.
Okay. So A is having value 0.0043. Okay, this is A. Put up here. B is equal to 0.0043. Okay. The next step is calculate A with 10.
B is 0.043.
Take 0. Right. Then next, put up the value of B into this. C is equal to B into 10 raised to 6 divided by 100. So here 0.043 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 100. That is C is equal to 0.043 into divided by 100.
430.
So we have it. We have the answer 430 gram of CaCO3. So this is our result. This is our final answer. So our hard water contains 430 gram of calcium carbonate. So in this way, our experimental demo, our practical demo is completed. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask to me. Do you understand this? ठीक आहे, समजलं सगळ्यांना? अजून एकदा रिपीट करू का? हॅलो,
समजली मॅम.
ठीक आहे, मी शॉर्ट मध्ये अजून एकदा सांगते तरी पण. ओके, 2 ते 3 मिनिटात सांगते. मी काय काय केलं सांगते मॅडम. इकडे पहा, आपण काय केलं सुरुवातीला. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टेक हार्ड वॉटर dilated to 100 ml into this volumetric flask. Then I have pipetted out this solution into conical flask. Then add 10 ml buffer solution, 4 ml buffer solution, 10 ml distilled water, and 2 to 3 drops of Ereochrome black tea indicator. Then our color becomes wine red. This wine red solutions I have titrated with the 0.01 molar EDTA solution. Then dark blue color is appeared at the reading 4.3 ml. Then I was written here 4.3, that is, this is the X. Okay. Then next part is the calculation part. In calculation part, I have put here 4.3 into 0.001. Okay, it becomes 0.0043. Then again multiply it with the 10. It becomes 0.043. Then last calculation for the C. C is equal to 0.043 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 100. We getting the answer. C is equal to 430 ppm of CaCO3. This is our final result. This is our final answer. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. So this is the hardness of our water. 430 ppm. Okay. Hardness answer. Okay. This is the answer of the hardness of our water, or we can also say the hardness of the sample water. Okay, do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you noted the calculation and the observation table? Have you note?
Ma'am, clear this
Please
is
all
not.
the bola. What are you saying? Yes.
Video is not clearly visible, ma'am.
Okay, I will share you as images in our group. Okay, I'll share you the pictures of the our board.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will stop here. Thank you so much.